Daniel Anderson. I'm stake president for the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints in New Hampshire, and I'm meeting here with Lisa Michaud from the American Red Cross, and we are doing a project to raise awareness for the Red Cross, preparing blankets to give us donations to help people keep them in their car, so if they get in trouble, they'll have a blanket to help them.
American Red Cross is a humanitarian organization, and therefore we believe that there is nothing more noble than to be able to serve others in their time of need. During March, it's our Red Cross month, and we celebrate our volunteers, our donors, and our partners in our community on how they've become prepared before disasters occur. So one of the things that we've done this year is we have partnered with Auto Fair in New Hampshire for every new car purchased, they will include a safety tip on a Red Cross blanket to each one of the new owners. Those blankets have been prepared today with care and comfort and love from your group, from Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, and we want to thank everyone for their time that they have offered today. We understand you have other charities that you can donate your time to, and we really do appreciate the value you brought today and for choosing the Red Cross.
It's been our pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you.